my teeth, will this be a problem?
So we get a lot of people that their teeth are ruined because of grinding. So it's certainly a reason we have to do this treatment. What we have to do is over-engineer. So we actually do design the bite, the teeth. Sometimes we have to change the position of the implants, or basically we have ways to plan for grinding. So grinding doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot get it. It means we have to plan specifically to treat that so that it doesn't become a problem in the future.